Hello everyone, welcome back to the Zaki Crypto Update channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates on Cardano and the broader cryptocurrency market. If you're new here, make sure to show some love by hitting that like button, dropping a comment down below, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you're the first to know when we post fresh updates. Your support helps us keep bringing you these insights, so thanks for being part of this growing community. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic. Will Cardano ADA manage to hold the $0.32 support level, or are we looking at a potential drop below $0.30? With Cardano nearing a critical point in a triangle pattern, the market is gearing up for a significant move. In today's episode, we'll break down the recent price action, analyze key technical indicators, and discuss how the latest governance upgrade impacts Cardano's future. So stick around to get the full scoop, and remember, this is not financial advice, just my insights. Always do your research before making any investment decisions. Over the last 10 days, we've seen a noticeable increase in bearish pressure on Cardano. The daily chart shows 7 consecutive red candles, 2 doji patterns indicating indecision, and just 1 bullish candle. To put that into numbers, Cardano has dropped 15.74% in the past week alone, marking one of the steepest declines in recent memory. This downturn wraps up August with an 11% drop, leaving many investors questioning whether ADA can maintain its footing above key support levels. So what's driving this bearish trend? Several factors are at play, including broader market corrections, uncertainty around macroeconomic conditions, and Cardano's struggle to generate bullish momentum despite significant upgrades and developments. The question now is, could Cardano's ongoing bearish trend lead to a breakdown below the psychological $0.30 level? Or will the bulls step in to defend this crucial support zone? Let's dive into the charts and take a closer look at the technical setup. On the 4-hour chart, Cardano's price action has been forming a descending resistance trend line which has consistently rejected multiple bullish reversal attempts. This pattern reflects the broader market sentiment where sellers have maintained control, putting significant pressure on the $0.32 support level. The interaction between this resistance line and a long-standing support trend line has created a symmetrical triangle pattern, often a sign of upcoming volatility. We're now approaching the apex of this triangle, a point of maximum compression where price action is likely to make a decisive move. Historically, these setups can result in powerful breakouts or breakdowns as the market searches for direction. Right now, Cardano is teetering at this tipping point, and a breakout could provide a much-needed boost, while a breakdown could accelerate the ongoing bearish momentum. Shifting our focus to the moving averages, the 50 EMA and 200 EMA on the 4-hour chart are crucial indicators of market sentiment. Recently, these EMAs attempted a golden crossover, a bullish signal where the 50 EMA moves above the 200 EMA. However, the crossover failed to sustain, leading to a rapid reversal that fueled the downtrend. This failure has now resulted in a death cross, where the 50 EMA crosses below the 200 EMA, often viewed as a bearish indicator suggesting further downside potential. The Relative Strength Index RSI is another important tool in our analysis. Currently, the RSI lacks any divergence that would typically signal a bullish reversal. However, it's worth noting that the RSI is in oversold territory, which historically has been a precursor to short-term bounce backs. While this doesn't guarantee a reversal, it's a condition that traders should keep an eye on, especially if bullish volume starts to pick up. Volume is another critical piece of the puzzle here. The recent sell-offs have been accompanied by relatively low trading volume, which suggests that while there's bearish pressure, it's not overwhelmingly dominant. A sudden spike in volume, particularly on the buy side, could be the catalyst needed to push Cardano out of its current range and back into bullish territory. Now, let's talk about a major development that's been the talk of the Cardano community, the recent chain upgrade. This upgrade is a game changer as it pushes Cardano further along its path toward true decentralization. With the chain upgrade now live, decision-making power has officially shifted to ADA holders, marking a significant change in how the network operates. So what does this mean for Cardano? Well, the upgrade introduces Cardano Improvement Proposal 1694, or CIP-1694, which establishes three user-led governance bodies: the Constitutional Committee, stake pool operators, and delegate representatives. This new governance structure places control directly in the hands of ADA holders, allowing them to vote on proposals and select governance representatives. One of the most notable changes is that founding entities like the Cardano Foundation no longer hold the unilateral power to initiate upgrades or trigger hard forks. This power shift is a monumental step towards making Cardano one of the most decentralized blockchains in the crypto space, aligning with its long-term vision. Despite these significant advancements, the ADA price hasn't reacted as many would have expected. The market sentiment surrounding Cardano is strong, but this has yet to translate into a price rally. This disconnect between technological upgrades and price movement can be frustrating for investors, but it's important to remember that market reactions often lag behind fundamental improvements. So where does Cardano go from here? With the current bearish cycle showing no signs of slowing down, there's a growing concern that Cardano could soon test and possibly break below the $0.32 support level. A breakdown from this critical level would open the door to further declines, with the next key support zones at $0.295 and $0.276. These levels will be critical to watch, as they could represent areas where buyers step in to defend against further downside. On the flip side, should Cardano manage to stage a reversal, we could see a breakout rally toward the next resistance levels at $0.35 and $0.364. These points represent potential profit-taking zones for those looking to capitalize on a short-term bullish move. However, for this scenario to unfold, we'll need to see a significant shift in market sentiment, backed by increased buying volume and perhaps some positive catalysts in the broader crypto market. Another factor to keep an eye on is the overall health of the crypto market. Bitcoin's performance often sets the tone for altcoins like Cardano, so any major moves in BTC could influence ADA's direction. A bullish breakout in Bitcoin could provide the tailwinds needed for Cardano to reclaim higher levels, while a continued downtrend in BTC might drag ADA down with it. As always, it's crucial to have a solid risk management plan in place. Cardano is at a pivotal point, and the market could go either way from here. If you're trading ADA, consider setting stop losses to protect against potential downside, and keep an eye on key technical levels to identify possible entry and exit points. In conclusion, Cardano is approaching a critical moment that could define its short-term future. With the combination of a tightening triangle pattern, key support levels under threat, and recent upgrades failing to lift the price, it's clear that we're in for an interesting ride. Whether you're a long-term holder or a short-term trader, understanding these dynamics will help you navigate the market more effectively. That's all for today's in-depth analysis of Cardano's current situation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your feedback keeps us motivated to bring you the latest and most comprehensive updates in the crypto world. Let me know in the comments, do you think Cardano will hold the $0.32 support, or are we heading lower? And as always, remember, this content is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.